Put it on silence and put it down.
No,
Let's
it's your boss that is calling you now.
Oh, God.
Is it something? It might be important now.
I promise you that it's not important. Just put it on silence and put it down.
Does she fly at night? Because it's only somebody that flies at night that be calling someone at 3 a.m.
Exactly. She's a witch and she's trying to force me to be one, and I'm not going to indulge her. Obin, please just ignore this woman.
No, now let us hear what she has to say. It might be important now, baby. Someone, why would she, sorry, let me just. Yeah, hello.
Choma, you mad? Choma, you are stupid, very irresponsible, incompetent. How many times did I have to call you before you can pick? What are you even doing, Seth? I sent you 2 emails an hour ago, no response.
No, wait. Who the hell are you? Who the hell are you? Why you calling and shouting like somebody that is seeking asylum? Who do you think you are talking to?
Who the hell is that?
Shut up your mouth! I'm not working here. You know who the hell is that? You are talking to the husband of the woman you called at 3 a.m. in the morning. Are you normal? Repeat after me. I am saying in Jesus' name. Repeat, say it after me. No, look at now. I thought there was something important now. Amusu, don't you ever, listen after, don't you ever call this number again at this ungodly hour. Are you possessed or something? I don't know, Maggie. Over zealous boss. Overzealous.
It's overzealous.